Hi everyone, this is Kim from Earn Greater Profits, and today I'm going to show you the easy way to migrate your WordPress website over to the platform, to the WordPress hosting. And so when you're in the back office, just go down to Sites and then over to WordPress. Before you've added it, it just has the dashboard here, and this is what it shows. And so you just click Activate for $14.99 a month, or whatever yours says, and then put in your credit card and go ahead and hit Pay. I'm not going to do this here because I already have one that I've gotten ready to go. And so let's go over to this one. So once you've added and paid, it's going to ask you for some information like the username you want, your password, that sort of thing. And so go ahead and get that set up, and then you're going to come to this page here, and it's going to give you this URL and admin access to a brand new WordPress site. So there's a couple ways you can migrate your current site over, and one would be to just use this upload here, but we're going to do it a little bit differently and make it even faster. So now that you're at this point, then go over to your current WordPress site and go into the back office, and you'll want to add this plugin that they were talking about over here, this all-in-one WordPress migration plugin. It's free and it's very easy to install. I've already installed it, but we'll go ahead and we'll click this and I'll show you what it looks like. All-in-one. This is the one that you want with this logo here, and just click Install Now and then Activate once it's installed, and it makes its own set here inside the back office. And the easiest thing to do is just export to a file. There's some advanced options if you don't want to export everything, like if you don't want to export the plugins and you want to create them yourself, then you don't have to do anything there, or you can just go ahead and export to file, and it'll start the export here. And it'll take just a moment. It really depends on what you've got. This website is quite large, and so it'll take just a couple minutes to get it set up and ready. But while that's going, let's go back to here. And so what we're doing is we're creating a file, a backup file that you can drop here. But an easier and quicker way to do it is to actually go ahead and create and use this access here. So I've already opened up both of these. So this is what this website looks like already. It's just the sample page with the 2023 version of their website. And so just open up the back end. I've already added the all-in-one WordPress migration, and so it's ready to go. So let's go back to, all right, so it's ready to download, and this is a button, so don't just hit close thinking it's already downloaded, because it is not. And so when when this is ready to go, just click it, and then download it to the onto your hard drive or wherever you want to save that. And it's good to save it as a backup as well. So put it in a place where you'll remember where it's at. Now I've already done this because this website was large enough. It took about 12 minutes to download. And so I've already done it. It's already downloaded. And so let's go back to, let's go back here. Okay, so here's the brand new website. I've installed the plugin. I'm going to import from file. And then I'm just going to pull it off of wherever I saved it from. So let me find that real quick. And this file has a suffix of WordPress. And it looks like I have a challenge because it's a very large website. Hang tight just a second. Okay, we're back, and while this is going, I'll explain what happened. So the all-in-one WordPress migration tool plugin is free as long as your website is pretty small. So this website I'm uploading is quite large. It's over 100 megabytes, which is the limitation of the free version of all-in-one WordPress migration. The platform does not have any solutions to be able to, in fact, let me show you what happened, what it wanted us to do. Okay. Maybe I can get back to where was it? Okay, so here's the page excuse me, that it sent me to make adjustments on how to increase the maximum upload file size. And so the first way is basically to purchase their unlimited plugin. And then the second way is contacting your hosting provider so that they can edit file sizes. Third way is do it yourself. So with the platform, we use Cloud. Can't remember their full name, but the platform is not a WordPress platform and does not have the back end capabilities as if it was WordPress itself. And so we're doing the hosting, but we don't have access to be able to edit these back-end files. And so, it's good and it's bad. If you're a well-versed WordPress user and you know how to edit these files and make adjustments, then using this platform's hosting services is probably not a good idea for you. But the people that use this platform, for the most part, are not users that are that know even what these files are. They never work on the back end of WordPress. They just want to upload a blog post. They just want to add a page to their website. WordPress, by and large, it's a huge platform itself. And for somebody that just wants a blog post and that's about it, it's just really large and cumbersome for somebody that doesn't want to understand how the back end works. And so if that's you, then this is perfect because we don't deal with stuff like this, but it also has its limitations. And so what I decided to do for this particular project, and now that we're actually getting this uploaded, is I just went to the plugin and I paid the $65 for the unlimited version, because I'll probably be using it on other websites, not just this one. And it's easier to pay the $65 than to figure out other ways on doing it. And so that's what I did. We're uploading now, and it may take a little while because it is such a large website. But once we're done, I'll come back. Okay, the process of importing took about 45 minutes, and then it gave me a warning saying anything I'm importing is going to overwrite what's already there. And of course, I'm importing, it was, just this basic website. And so I went ahead and hit go, and it says it's been imported successfully. Okay, so let's go on over to this site and hit reload. Make sure that it looks okay. Everything looks okay, except for our social media images and our, this has happened before, so this is going to be an easy fix for me as far as what this is doing. But everything else looks good. Let's just go to a page. We'll just make sure that all of our images, the images are not quite right. This is supposed to be in a masonry gallery view, so I'll need to check on that and make an adjustment through that plugin. But a lot of it actually looks quite good. So I'm happy. Anyway, that's how you upload that, and then we'll move on to as soon as I get these small issues fixed, then we'll move over the domain name and make sure that works properly. And my domain name is with Namecheap. So as soon as I get this fixed, we'll take care of that. Okay, so I'm going to add the domain now that everything is set up. Let me just jump over here for a second. Okay, so things up here look correct now, and things down here look correct. And so I'm ready to move my domain over. So I'm going to add my domain, throw that in there. Okay, so it looks like I need to add these to my domain provider. Now I use Namecheap for mine, and so let's go ahead and go over to Namecheap. And currently my other hosting was SiteGround. So what I need to do is go back to my regular basic DNS. Now this will be at the point that the website is going to be down basically. So we need to do this kind of quickly and make sure things sure things are right. Okay, so this is a text record. Here's the key. So I go back here and choose text record. Put that in the host area, and then we'll copy the value and then hit our save changes, and then we'll go back, copy that, another text record, copy that, and save. Okay, so I've added those, got everything, verify. Might take just a minute, but we can go here. Maybe it'll tell us exactly how long it'll take. There we go. Okay, so now it's asking us to add A records. So we'll go over here and copy this and add an A record at our IP address, save. And then we want to do the www as well. So I'll copy this, and that'll be the CNAME record. And we'll copy that. All right, so we've added those. Just double check that there's not more than 2. Domain is detected. So now it shows that hardwoodphotoguysinc.com is now the primary. So let's okay, so let's just check and make sure again that everything looks right. Now I haven't turned off my old one, so to just double check, I'm going to go to my dashboard because on my old one I deleted the all-in-one plugin, and I don't see it here, so that makes me think that this might still be the original. So I'm going to go in here. I'm going to open up the back end. And I might still be in the original. So I'm going to do some checking. I'll be right back. Okay, it took about 10 or 15 minutes and everything updated. And this is the back office to my WordPress website as from the new platform hosting. So I've got my all-in-one WP migration there, which had still been in there with the new one. And just throw this back out here. So here's the back office here. I've got hardwoodfloorguysinc.com as the primary. And here's the website. Everything looks good here. And everything's working just fine. I've been through all the pages. I had to do a little bit of tweaking, but nothing major. And so everything looks pretty good. So I hope this is informational for you. And if you have any questions about migrating your WordPress website over to the platform hosting, then leave a comment or contact me and I'll see if I can help you. Thanks so much. Have a great day.